based on 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, we refer to our analysis. When the price was here, I mentioned we are not, I mean, if you want to buy, we put this entry because we mentioned the ways moving is really corrective. See what we get, the price drop. Okay, again, the ways moving is really corrective. And if you want to look for buy, the only option, again, having entry above the top. Rather than that, we cannot look for trade within this correction because we cannot get a really good trade setup. And what we get here, mostly we can expect one more drop. Okay, but we are not going to trade it for sell as well. Within this range, we are not going to look for buy or sell. Okay, if this one give one more drop to break this low, any reversal within this, if we get any buy setup, we take it at least with the sharp flag, and when the price come to the top, we start to manage it. Okay, at that times having entry above the top, if after the price drop, and the best is if the breakout of this, maybe we can remove it or adjust it. But as long as the prices haven't dropped, we will maintain this one. And what we want the price tag, break, and continue. If it's tagged within 1 or 2 hours, especially if it depends how it's moving, we don't stay with the trade. Okay, that's why we put a bit higher than this, because as we can see, every time the price come to the top, reverse, drop, drop. Okay, by the way, if you want to look for buy, let the price drop. If you get any buy setup within this range, based on lower time frame, we'll take it. And at that times we won't have this one. And as long as the price haven't, is within this move, we will have this one. And we want to see how we can trade it, even if we move based on 15 minutes, because the way is moving is really corrective. Okay, again, we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, all right, there is no much changes into our analysis. That's why I don't need to talk much. The only thing is when we have this kind of the corrective move, either way, whether it's up move or down move, if any move, any direction it move, it can be quite sharp. That's why if you're looking for buy, we try to see how we can trade it. And as right now, what we have here, we don't have any trade setup. Okay, that's why the only way we can look for trade if the price break this low, no much changes from what I mentioned just now, or having entry above this. In this case, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update or anything, so I will share. By the way, we cannot buy right now, and there is nothing. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or anything can confirm for the next move, I will share. Thanks.